How to spend more quality time with your partner. Does seeing your partner day in and day out equal a healthy relationship? Spending quality time with them is the best way to ensure your relationship stays healthy and strong. You and your partner deserve more from your relationship. What does quality time mean? It means spending time with your spouse without interruption. Communication will build emotional intimacy and trust. Firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. What is considered quality time? Quality time revolves around showing love and affection by dedicating time to spend together. Spending uninterrupted time with someone deepens the connection. Quality time is also about physically expressing love. Hand-holding, cuddling, caressing, and tickling will boost partner satisfaction. How to spend quality time with your partner. Check out these relationship tips to make the most out of your time with your partner. 1. Attend a social gathering. You should schedule a time to enjoy social moments together. Appreciate your loved ones for their love and personality. 2. Try new things together. Have you ever wanted to learn something new? Instead of engaging in your hobbies and interests alone, why not involve your partner? Trying new activities together builds healthy relationships. It encourages you both to rely on one another for emotional and physical support. 3. Schedule in tech-free time. Is your phone good for your relationship? Spending too much time on your phone can lower relationship satisfaction and increase one's chances of depression. Remove distractions when spending quality time together. Show your partner they have your full attention. 4. Hit the gym as a couple. Let's become workout partners. Couples are more likely to stay with their exercise routine if they work out together. No matter which way you choose to exercise, these healthy activities can promote a healthy relationship. 5. Cook meals together. One of the best relationship tips for spending quality time together is to cook meals together. Not only is this a fun way to spend your time together, but it also promotes teamwork. If all goes well, you'll have a romantic date night meal at home. If the food didn't turn out the way you'd hoped, at least both have a laugh and create new memories together. 6. Have a regular date night. Couples experience a greater sense of happiness and less stress when having a date night in their weekly routine. It makes your relationship seem more exciting and helps prevent boredom. 7. Be interested in what they are saying and feeling. Quality time takes the form of conversation and discussion. Show interest in what your partner is feeling. As your partner speaks, listen actively. Limit distractions and avoid interrupting them. Listening to them and acknowledging their feelings will make them feel loved. 8. Avoid canceling plans. People whose love language is quality time feel hurt by postponed or canceled plans. They see quality time as a sign of love. When you cancel or postpone spending time with them, they feel like you are withholding love. Ensure that you let them know how you enjoy spending time with them. 9. Have a daily ritual. Find something to help you spend time together, even if it's only 15 minutes. It will pay off in spades in the long run. 10. Go to bed together. If you live with your partner, you should consider going to bed together. Not only will you end the day together but also connect before sleeping. 11. Plan a weekend getaway. When you are working hard, all you need is a few days. If having a free weekend, find a nice destination and get away. 12. Try a movie marathon. Write down all the movies that you both like and start watching them. This will help in creating conversations and memories. In the end, it's the time you spend together without talking about work that counts. 13. Play video games together. If both enjoy playing video games, you should try this out. If you haven't been spending time together lately, playing video games is a good idea. Bringing the child within both of you to life is the key to happiness. 14. Get intimate. Another key to gain success and happiness in relationships is to have a great sexual life. Lack of satisfaction leads to separation. When scheduling quality time, don't forget your sexual life. These relationship tips will bring great benefits to your relationship.